We are here in front of the house of Miss Emelita Canlas, the wife of the famous engineer Rusty Canlas in Bulacan. If you want to know about her success and the success of his husband, come on, let's join us in knowing their real life.
Hello everyone, let me welcome to you Mrs. Emiliana Canlas. Ma'am, first we want to thank you for allowing us to interview you and especially for welcoming us here in your home. So, ma'am, the first question is, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my complete name is Emiliana D. Canlas, elementary teacher in Mikla Elementary School. I'm teaching grade 5 at present. I have 4 kids, 2 girls and 2 boys. My husband is working in Bulacan. He is an engineer, mechanical engineer, and his position is maintenance supervisor. Okay, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am. So the second question is, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are my kids. Weaknesses, maybe my siguro sickness. Ayoko magkasakit ang mga bata. Siguro.
Being mother.
Sige.
The third question is, what are your lifelong dreams?
Lifelong dreams ko sa mga anak ko, sana makatapos sila. Yun lang. Tsaka walang magkakasakit sa kanila.
A good mother. So, four, what do you ultimately want to become? Aside from being a teacher, what is the second, the ultimately dream you want?
Maybe a chef or let's say way of making teacher, kaya ko eh. Siguro businesswoman.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. So, the fifth question is, what irritates you about other people and how do you deal with it?
Irritate? Maka-irritate ka ako is that when people have nothing to do, yung wala silang magawa kundi chismis. Gumawa ng chismis. Yun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, ma'am, I will continue our interview about these questions are about your career path. First question, ma'am. What is your greatest failure and what did you learn from it?
Failure? Maybe when I am applying my job, because when I am applying my job, I've been waiting siguro 7 years bago ko na-permanent. Pero okay lang sa akin basta meron akong sacrifice to myself. Basta nagsakripisyo ako, basta sabi ko, makukuha ko rin yun.
A very patient person. Second, ma'am, why did you want this kind of job, being a teacher?
Mission siguro, tsaka actually, this is not my dream, pero yung mga parents ko gusto ito. So, tinuloy ko na. Sinundan ko yung gusto ng mga parents ko. Tapos, naman ako sa mga bata. Lababol ako sa mga bata. Gusto ko yung tinuturuan sila. Matyaga ako. Mahaba ang pasensya.
Third question, why did you choose it? What is your major?
Major in English.
In English. Number 4, who has impacted you most in your career and how?
My friends. My friends. Yun lang, yung mga kasama ko. Kasi lahat sila, yun nga. Halos teacher ang kinukuha ng mga kaibigan ko. So, ito na rin ang kinuha ko.
Fifth, when were you most satisfied in your job?
When you see your pupils that they are improving and learning to you. Yun.
this question is very controversial. What salary are you seeking?
Salary? What or how much?
How much and what?
Okay, how much? About 50,000 a month.
Okay.
Yan.
Number 7. Tell me about your proudest achievement.
Proudest achievement? Yun, this is it. Yung magkaroon ako ng trabaho habang buhay. Habang 60 years old ako.
Number 8. How do you handle your time to your work and to your family?
Siguro, organize lang. Kailangan organize lang yung mga ginagawa ko. After my job, naka-schedule na yan kung anong gagawin ko after. Organize ko.
This is romantic. Number 9. Do you think a leader should be feared or liked?
A leader?
Yes.
Ako? Oo. Yes.
And the last question. What advices can you give to us youth who are dreaming to become successful like you?
Magbigay ko ng advice.
Yes.
Okay. For the youth, advice ko lang na study hard and always think for tomorrow. Kasi kapag kayo iniisip niyo yung kinabukasan niyo o yung bukas, talagang meron kayong pupuntahan. Kasi pag hindi mo inisip yung, paano yung bukas ko, paano? Kailangan iniisip mo yun, hindi lang yung present. Always think for tomorrow. Yun.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for letting us to get some word of wisdom to become successful person.
Okay.